Hey, this is Saket here, and I am going to tell you about an easiest and the best 3D modeling Android app which will help you to give better shape to your imagination. This app is very easy to learn and it will not take more than 10 minutes to become a master in using this app. Here are very few basic models created in this app. You can create an extraordinary one for you. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to tell you that this app is not available on Google Play Store. So to download this app, click on the link given in the description. Now click on the first link here. Yes, this health tip for students. Now scroll down and click on Quibism Pro. Again scroll down and click on download button. Choose an Google account. Yes, loading the app. Now it's done. Okay, let me find and open the app. Okay, here it is. These are few 3D models created by me. This is a hexagon, and this is something I don't know. Well, yes, this is a house. It took just 10 minutes to create this house. You can see now you are inside the house. Now outside, and look at the fences, very detailed and very easy to create. And I think it's an arrow. Now create the plus button to create a new model. Please have a look on the tools. I hope it would be very easy for you to use these tools. If not, have some patience and subscribe my channel, because very soon I will upload a full tutorial for this app.